Did you know that somewhere in the vastness of space, there's a planet where it literally rains molten metal? Not just a few droplets, but entire storms of liquid iron, falling from the sky like fiery raindrops. It sounds like something straight out of a science fiction movie. But this planet is very real, and its weather is unlike anything we've ever seen before. When we think of rain, we imagine soft droplets of water, cooling the air, nourishing the earth. But what if the rain wasn't water, but boiling hot metal? A place where temperatures are so extreme that even iron turns into gas. A planet where one side is permanently on fire, and the other side is trapped in eternal darkness. And in between, the most deadly weather cycle you could ever imagine. Welcome to WASP 76b. This bizarre exoplanet is located 640 light-years away from Earth. To put that into perspective, if you were traveling at the speed of light, it would still take you 640 years to get there. It belongs to a class of planets known as ultra-hot Jupiters, gas giants that orbit their stars so closely, they're literally being cooked by the intense heat. But here's what makes WASP 76b so special. Most planets, including Earth, rotate on their axis, meaning every side eventually gets sunlight. But not this one. WASP 76b is tidally locked, meaning one side of the planet always faces its star, while the other side remains in perpetual night. And that creates a world of extremes. Let's start with the day side of the planet. Here, temperatures reach a blistering 2,400 degrees Celsius, or 4,350 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hotter than some stars. At these temperatures, metals don't just melt, they turn into gas. Iron, which on Earth is a solid metal, is completely vaporized into the atmosphere. But here's where things get really interesting. WASP 76b isn't just a burning wasteland. It has powerful winds that blow at thousands of kilometers per hour, carrying the iron vapor from the scorching day side to the cold, dark night side. And when the iron vapor reaches this cooler region, it condenses and falls back down as molten iron rain. Imagine standing on the night side of this planet. The sky is pitch black, except for the distant glow of the burning horizon. And then, from the clouds above, glowing liquid metal starts to pour down like rain. Droplets of iron, hundreds of degrees hot, splashing onto the surface, instantly forming pools of molten metal. A never-ending storm of fire and steel. So, if humans ever set foot on WASP 76b, they wouldn't just need an umbrella. They wouldn't just need a spacesuit. They'd need a heat-proof, metal-resistant, fireproof survival suit, just to survive the weather. And even then, they wouldn't last long. Because in a world where it rains metal, survival is impossible. Scientists believe that ultra-hot Jupiters like WASP 76b could help us understand the most extreme planets in the universe. These worlds exist in solar systems far beyond our own, orbiting dangerously close to their stars. Some of them might even have winds so strong they can tear apart entire atmospheres. Others could have clouds made of molten glass, with storms that rain down shards of crystal. Yes, a planet with glass rain actually exists. But that's a story for another time. Space is full of terrifying, yet fascinating mysteries. And WASP 76b? It's just one of many worlds that challenge everything we know about the universe. Want to hear more insane space facts? Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more mind-blowing discoveries. See you in the next episode of Guys, Did You Know?